Hi, my name's Linda. I'm a refresh activator with Blackburn with Darwen Borough Council. And we're going to look at carbohydrates, which make up one section on the Eat Well guide. So why do we need carbohydrates? Well, they provide a really good source of energy and is utilised by the body and the brain. They also provide lots of nutrients which help give us a healthy, balanced diet. And they recommend having just over a third from this section on your daily intake. As we can see here are some of the products within this section. We've got potatoes, bread, pasta and rice and cereals. But there's plenty of other starchy carbohydrates that are also included. A couple of other examples, we've got barley, couscous, yams, plantains, quinoa, and there will be others. When we're choosing which products to have from this section, we highly recommend picking whole grain, wholemeal, high fibre foods. For instance, we've got wholemeal bread. We can choose brown rice, wholemeal, whole wheat pastas, and cereals can come in a high fibre form. And we do this recommendation because fibre is a good nutrient, provides us with some health benefits, but also it keeps us fuller for longer. And it releases into the system slowly. White and refined products, some of them release much quicker into the system, which makes our blood sugars go a little bit higher, and they also release out the system quicker, which might mean that we start to feel hungry earlier, might lead to some extra snacking. The other thing to think about with this food group is your portions. People will ask us, do carbohydrates not put weight on? Having them balanced with the rest of the food groups, so with your fruit and vegetables and your other three sections, and using them well in our cooking will help maintain a steady weight and a good nutritional balance. So for instance, if we're using more fats and oils, they are going to make added calories to your natural products. So if you were, for instance, having oils and spreads within the products and using them in high quantities, then that's going to make a difference to your calorie intake. Carbohydrates are actually less than half the amount of calories as fats are, so they're really good for maintaining a really well balanced meal. It is worth you having a look and monitoring how many carbohydrates you're having, alongside looking at maybe how many products you're having from the different food groups. So sometimes we could look at making some healthy swaps. For instance, you might want to change from white refined bread to wholemeal or whole grain, or even seeded. You could be swap from a high sugar content salt cereal to a more high fibre product. And just looking at your portions, are you having a third in balance with the rest of the guide? You could do that by doing diaries or shopping lists or planning your meals over the week. So I hope you found that useful. Thank you for listening and goodbye.